Are you an aspiring product manager looking for new side project ideas? Well, you have come to the right video. So first and foremost, ensure that you start small and you complete the project. And second and most importantly, pick a real world problem which is relatable to you, not very far-fetched. So what do I mean by that? So pick a problem either for your friend, family members, your neighbors, or maybe a local shop in your locality. In that way, you would be able to relate to the problem better, and while you are doing the side project, you'd also be able to help a friend, family member, or maybe a local, shopkeeper. So it's a win-win in both ways. So now let me give you an example of a relatable problem. Let's say in my locality, every day there is this fruit seller who comes between 3 to 5 p.m. He comes and he sells fresh fruit. Everybody loves fresh fruits. Nobody likes, cutting, chopping and all of that. And this guy sells the best fresh fruits in the locality. So I may take that as my side project. If I do so as a product manager, putting my product manager hat, what are the things I would have to do? I would have to see, what all things he's offering today, who are his end users, what are their pain points, what are the areas maybe he could do better. In other words, the current gaps that he's not addressing, what his turnover looks like, what it could look like, and putting all of those together, I may come up with a newer business model altogether. I may recommend him having a mobile app through which he could sell the fresh fruits, and instead of him coming every day, he could have someone deliver it to the various apartments in the locality. Or I, as an MVP, I might not even recommend to have a mobile app. I could just help him set up a WhatsApp business profile through which all of this can be done, right? So this is an example of a relatable problem. So let's say that, in the process of solving a problem, you may have to build an app or build a website, and you are someone who's not too tech savvy, right? You don't really know too many coding language. How do you go about it? Well, that's quite easy in today's world. There are various no-code platforms such as Appify, Bubble, AppMaker. You could use any of these platforms to easily build a mobile app and launch it. So yeah, there you go. If you're more interested on the design side of things, then you could start recreating some of the user experiences of the existing apps. So ensure you clearly state, the current challenges or issue you find with the application and how you intend to solve, who are your end users, do the customer journey map, empathy map, and all of that good thing. So and again, to do all of this, you could use free tools like Figma, Balsamiq. Again, I'm just naming few. There are many such prototyping tools which comes free. You could use any of them to basically create your prototype. So through your side project, there are a lot of things you are gaining. Number one, you are actually solving a real world problem for a real, user. Number two, you are learning how to use, different applications, platforms together to build and launch something and solve a tangible problem. Number three, you would actually have a tangible product to talk about during your product management interview. It wouldn't be something hypothetical. It would be like a real world problem you have solved for someone, which is quite powerful if you think of it. And lastly, you could use this side project to also network with other fellow product managers. So reach out to people who have done similar project in past and learn from their experiences. Ask them to provide feedback. In that way, you would be able to build your network and maintain strong relationships. All of this together will help you to crack your next product management interview. And with that note, I'm going to end this video here. If you liked it, do give me a thumbs up and do follow my channel for more similar videos. Bye!